Any pain as I press down? Please let me know.
Something there, yes.
Okay. Okay, nice deep breath in for me. And let it all out. Very good. One more time. All the way out. Beautiful. And feel a nice stretch up towards me. Go ahead, deep breath in. And let the body just relax into the table. All the way out for me.
Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. So we're going to come down to the left. And just let the head drop into the left. Beautiful. Wow.
Wow.
It's going to release a lot of pressure. How'd that feel?
Good.
Let's come down into me. And just let this drop. There it is. Wow.
Wow.
That was a big one. How did that feel?
Good.
Let's go a deep breath in and let it all go. Very good. So one more time here. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Let's go a deep breath in, all the way out.